Uh, Hello again. This is the third project of the three projects video. This project involves the implementation of a ticket management system using queues, uh, a railway ticket management system to be more precise. So, a brief introduction about queues. A queue is a first in first out based data structure. Here we are using uh, an array of data nodes, that is a structure named data, to store the various values such as name of the individual, the age of the individual, and the train which the individual is going to take. And based on that, we are going to store these information in the form of a queue. So the overall flow of the program is that we will take in as input the various user details via command line, and we will store them in the form of a queue. And after the user is done entering the details to user, we will print the details in the form in a file in a first in first out based manner with the help of queue. So here are the basic functions. We are mainly going to utilize the data entry function for collecting the details, and after collecting the details, we are going to use the NQ operation to again put the data into the queue. We are going to use the as well as empty functions to help us do the same, and we are going to use the DQ function while while writing the data into the file. And so that's pretty much it. Let's begin. And yeah, so let's do this. Let's run the program and see for ourselves. So Jesus. Here, as you can see, we have when asked, we get a question from we get a question as prompting us to enter the file location. So we can add the location where we want to store our .txt file, which will contain the information of the users, of the people who are being involved in the ticket management system. So let us assume that we want to store the data in the test.txt file. Uh, as no path has been specified, it will be stored in the current directory. So enter details for the passenger one. So let's assume train number is one. If we let's assume that let us not say that we want to let us say that we don't want to exit enter data into it. So let's press zero. Enter details for passenger two. So again and one again zero and um, DF. Two. Let's suppose that we want to enter data entry now. So let's press one. And so do we wish to print the collected data? So if it is yes, then let's press one. And so we get the collected data in the form, and it is displayed in the form of a first in first out based manner. So after this, the collection data is entered, and we will close the file. And if you will check the file over here, it consists of all the data elements that we entered just now. So let's try running this program again. This time, however, we will not print the data, collected data, and that's it again. Test dot txt abc 1 df 21 fth 1 2 and let's okay. So 0 closing file. And if we are to check the uh, files again, we get this data. That's it. So thank you for watching this video, and that's all.